What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kay with your friendly reminder of the day. So, y'all, as a parent of two, man, y'all know being a parent, parenting is difficult. Difficult. It's, parenting is more difficult than adulting. Like, I'm like, how did my parents do it? It's crucial. It's a challenging task. For real. It's yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and discuss some things on how to, um, you know, different strategies on how to raise healthy and resilient children. So you want to know, you want to raise a healthy child, you want to raise a good child, you want to raise a child that speaks to you, a child that respects you. So I'm gonna give you some tips on what you can do. All right, so first thing, oh, and make sure you guys like and subscribe if you guys like the video and the content. So, the first thing you want to do is you want to foster a positive, supportive environment. Children thrive in a positive and supportive environment. Create a home environment that is warm, loving, and supportive, and show your children that they are valued and respected. Just because they're kids doesn't mean you can't respect them. So make sure you respect them. Like, I talk to my children like every day, and I talk to them like they're young adults because that's what they are. I don't sugarcoat anything with them. I tell them straightforward, I and that's how it is. And that's what you want to do, but you want to set clear and consistent boundaries. Children need boundaries to feel safe and secure. So you have to set clear and consistent boundaries and expectations, rules for behavior, and be consistent in enforcing them. Not inconsistent. Be consistent in enforcing them. So when you set your rules, you have to be consistent with it because children need that type of structure. So don't feel any kind of way like, you don't have to whoop them, they're children. You don't have to spank them, do all of that, yell and all that. But encourage independence. Children need to learn how to be independent and self reliant. You want to encourage your children to take responsibility for their own actions, make their own decisions, and develop problem solving skills. So, you want to teach them all of that. Help them make their own decisions, what's right and what's wrong, and teach them how to solve different problems that might arise. Model healthy behaviors. They learn by example, so it's important to model healthy behaviors. Take care of your own physical and emotional health and show your children how to make healthy choices for themselves. Like my baby, he loves Hot Pockets, but he also loves green beans. So I guess it kind of evens it out. You want to foster an open communication. Open communication. Encourage your children to talk to you openly and honestly about their feelings and experiences. Listen actively. Don't judge them, and respond in a supportive and empathetic way. Always listen to your children. You want them to speak to you. You want them to talk to you. You want them to, you know, come to you as a parent before they go to anyone else. As a parent, we are their protectors. So it's our duty to know everything that our children are doing right now, period. Like, it's our duty. It's not nosy. It's not invading their privacy. It is knowing what your child is up to. Parenting, basically. So you want to build the resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from challenges and adversity. So you want to teach your children how to cope with stress and challenges in healthy ways. Help them develop a growth mindset that focuses on learning and growth rather than perfection. You know, you want to foster a love of learning. Learning is forever, it's a lifelong process. You learn throughout the day, you learn at any time of the day. Like, you know, so learning never stops. And children who love learning are more likely to succeed in life. Encourage your children's curiosity. Provide opportunities for them to explore new ideas and interests, and praise their efforts and progress. Like right now, my baby is working on, I don't know if he's working on it today, but he's uh, learning this 3D graphic software. And I'm like, well, okay, well, make me something then, you know, because I want him to feel like, oh, I can do this. This is something that I can do. I should do this, you know. You want your kids to be, because they're your kids. At the end of the day, your kids are a reflection of you. So if your children are out of control, then that means you're out of control. If they have no home training, then you have no home training. So you have to also teach them empathy and compassion. Empathy and compassion are key traits for healthy relationships, personal fulfillment. Teach your children to understand and care about the feelings of others, and model kindness and compassion in your own interactions with them and others. So be compassionate. Teach them compassion and empathy. Don't raise hard children, like children that don't care about life and don't care that they're going through what they're going through. You know, you want to raise children that show empathy, that do care about their life and everything in it. So, with that being said, you know, parenting involves creating a positive and supportive environment, setting clear boundaries, modeling healthy behaviors, fostering open communication, building resilience, fostering a love of learning, teaching empathy and compassion. And by focusing on these strategies, parents and myself can help their children develop into healthy, resilient, and responsible adults. And that's the goal. You know, Whitney said, I believe the children are our future. So check the children. Do you think the children are our future? So drop it in the comments below then. You know. All right, well, this has been your girl Kay with another friendly reminder. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.